what a beautiful snowsuit for Victoria.
Oh my gosh.
It is tighter to her body.
This is Vale.
Dad, you want an Oreo? Yeah, I see that.
Say hi.
Hi. Mira, mami. Okay. Mira, mami.
Now Vale's not a big city at all, is it?
Well, it's a big ski town.
Resort, yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
Very
got
famous.
it.
Yeah.
city.
Yeah.
It's a big resort. You want this, honey?
Okay, fine.
You can't just have one.
You want another one?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice.